Jeannie.
Oh, hi there, Mrs. Sandoval.
Hi.
Great to see you.
Great to see you, too.
You are just in time to help me with a math puzzle.
Oh, of course. What can I help you with?
Well, my friends and I have been collecting cans.
Oh, Jeannie, that's great. That's awesome. It's so good for the environment.
That's so true. But now we need to find out who saved the most cans.
Oh, I can help you with that. Would you like me to try?
Yeah.
Okay. Ava saved 75 cans. Martin saved 102 cans. Brandon saved 113 cans. And Shelly, well, she saved 89 cans. Let's write the numbers of cans saved in order from least to greatest.
Great idea.
Now, Jeannie, to help us organize our numbers, we're going to use a number line.
Oh.
A number line looks just like this, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 dashes because we have 4 numbers.
Oh.
And the number line, we read it just like we read a book from left to right.
I love reading.
And we start the numbers on the number line from least to greatest.
Oh.
Okay. Now let's go ahead and compare the numbers. Well, 75 has 7 tenths. 102 has 100. But notice 75 has no 100. So 75 must be less than 102. Now let's keep going. 113 also has 100. 89 has no hundreds, but it has 8 tenths. So, Jeannie, 75 and 89 must be is one of the numbers that must go here. But now let's figure out which one. Well, 75 has 7 tenths, 89 has 8 tenths.
So it's the 75.
Yeah, 75 is less than 89. So 75 is going right there on our number line.
Great.
Now let's figure out the next number. Well, if you remember, we said 89 has no hundreds.
Right.
So 89 must be the next number.
Right. Put her there. Go, Shelly.
Now, I have to figure out if 102 is less than 113 or if 113 is less than 102. Well, both of these have 100.
Yep.
So we need to look at the tens place.
Hey, 102 has no 10.
Right. And 113 has 1/10.
Yes.
So 102 must be less than 113.
So that's next on the number line,
It
right?
sure is.
Oh, wow.
And lastly, we have Brandon with 113 cans. So Brandon has the greatest number of cans. Now that we organized everything on our number line, it's so easy to see the numbers from least to greatest.
It sure is.
So we have 75, 89, 102, and finally, with the greatest number, 113.
Hooray!
Did that help you, Jeannie?
Oh, sure did. And now I have to go tell Brandon that he collected the most number of cans.
Great.
Wow.
Why don't I help you move these cans over here? I'll do it
Okay.
really slowly.
Okay, be careful. Here,
I'll fix that. I'll fix that.
Well,
Oh.
we're gonna pick these up, but come back for more math